just want to say hi to all my friends and my extended friends here on this YouTube platform. Some of you might have guessed that I'm not home in Salt Lake City with those NASCAR videos. I am in North Carolina with family, and just so happened to be in Hurricane Helene in Asheville. We're over here at the cell phone tower so we can get a little bit of info out to anybody that wants to see it. We're in Mills River. We were trapped by the French Broad. We couldn't get out for 3 days out of the little tight-knit corner of Mills River. You're probably seeing some overlaid video right now of down trees and power lines and some of the stuff from the very beginning of going out the door. And then yeah, I saw the reality of the French Broad over some of the local pathways that lead to bridges. I thought it was a whole bridge underwater, but it was the whole road. And the bridge, I end up showing it with the washed out section. It is very small in comparison to what the amount of water that flowed through this area. I really am hopeful that you know, everyone that you know is safe and sound from this event. And yeah, again, just sharing in case some people need to know. Watch how much water's over here. Wow. I was parked where the water is earlier.
You're kidding.
No.
Wow.
Holy shit. Everyone's turning around.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, look at that.
Holy shit.
Oh my God, it's on their house.
I don't know why no one's telling everyone no. Wow, that is nuts, huh, babe?
Yeah. My mom and dad
some humans for size reference. The water was all the way up to that tree line yesterday. Actually, those power boxes, you can see the dirt, the shore remains. And then here I am, all the way back here, where I first recorded video, and it was barely coming over the road the day after the storm. Now, 3 days later, this is what remains. We're down to the bedrock over here. Well, I don't know. That was probably the wrong thing to say, but that's some rock right there, that edge. It's the strongest part. But yeah, no going to the bike park.
So we've been staying with my mom, and I gotta go home, and we can't leave. There's no way to go. He called us this morning and said everything's closed. We took the inside.
So just a little bit of context here. I am at the side of the river where the water was gushing over. And these are just supposed to be fields to the left of me. And after I spin around here, it'll be on the other side of the road. They really need to put another spillway here, something to replace this. But the other side of the road here is also just cornfield or field. It's obviously really the river, but we believe that the river should just be as small as we want to make it, with some levees and dams. The road over here goes all the way across to the actual bridge, past the downed trees, up in that little concrete pad with the hazard signs. That's where the river flows through. Off to the left, you can see it currently going. I don't know why they'd have it this way, but I'm pretty sure the river goes under that bridge. And it decided to go somewhere else. This is a fence to someone's property, I believe. You can imagine the amount of force that gate is bent. It's folded like a chip, let's just say that. I'm right next to the edge of the road. Got a SUV that was caught, I think, from a house up the street. And another angle from deep back there. That is the bottom of a tree. The river is right back through here. You can see when I pulled off. It's moving pretty good still. Well, right. The water is up on someone's property at this moment. So this had to have been completely underwater. We could not get to here for 2 days. I'm pretty sure of it because this house has no watermarks. The whole driveway's washed away. And we did see, barely from up the road, this barn right here completely halfway submerged underwater. It is a miracle it's still here. And it is so hard to drive around and see the amount of displacement all of the neighbors are having. But this community seems to be coming together rather quickly. The water's so powerful. And then on day 3, we decided to go to the grocery store. It was open up on day 2,
right at the front,
but cash only.
It's on a pallet.
You had to take pictures of your items. You were limited to 1 ice, 1 thing of water that you chose, but they were handing out free baked goods and some fruit because it would go bad. Yeah, just getting this information out for people that need to know, even though if you don't know me. Thank you so much for being a part of YouTube and this community.
And then with the stupid rules in the truck, you can only have to sit for another 14 hours before I can even move my truck. To even think about trying to go somewhere.
Oh, you're kidding.
Laws.
Oh, God.
Yeah.